Now we are going to do our next and last topic, that is subtraction of three-digit numbers without regrouping. And children, the learning outcome, that what you will learn from this topic is that you will learn the method of subtraction of subtracting three-digit numbers without regrouping. Now, children, there are some rules for subtracting three-digit numbers without regrouping. So the first rule is that always you will write the bigger number on top. Okay, this is the rule of subtraction, whether you do three-digit subtraction, three-digit number subtraction, or two-digit. Always you are supposed to keep the bigger number on top. Now, second is start subtracting from ones place. Like children, you know in two-digit how many place values are there? Yes, ones and tens. And in three-digit how many are there? Yes, ones, tens, and the third one is hundreds. So among all these three place values, always you will start subtracting from ones place. So these are two rules which you are supposed to keep in mind while doing subtraction. Okay, children, now we will see one example and it will be more clear to you. So, ma'am has written here two numbers, and the first number here is what is the number? 573. 3 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, and 5 you can see is at hundreds place. Now, the second number is 241, 241. Now children, you can see between these numbers, the number which is here on top is bigger one. 573 is obviously bigger than 241. Now second rule is you will start subtracting from ones place. So now you will see the digits at ones place. The digit at ones place are 3 and 1. So we will start subtracting. We will draw 3 lines and 1. So cross out 1. So how many left? Yes, 2. Now second, now we will subtract the digits given at tens place, and the digits are 7 and 4. Now we will draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you have to cross out 4. You have to subtract 4. So we will cross out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many left? Yes, 3. Now at last we will subtract the digits given at hundreds place. So here the digits are 5 and 2. So now children, we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to subtract 2. So we will cross out 2. So how many left? Yes, 3. So children, what is the answer which you have got after subtracting? Yes, it is 332. So this way you have to subtract three-digit numbers. Okay. Now the second question here, you can see that ma'am has written subtract 20 from 368. So children, here ma'am has not written the numbers in vertical. Ma'am will be asking you all, and then we will first we will write place values and then we will subtract. So first we will write the place values, that is hundreds, tens and ones. Now from 368. So children, always you will write the bigger number first. So bigger number here is obviously 368. And now the smaller number is 20. Here children, you can see that the digit at hundreds place, you are not having any digit because it is a two-digit number. So we will not write anything under 3. Simply we will put subtraction sign and now we will subtract. So here 8 is there and 0. So 8 minus 0 is, yes, you will get the same number. Okay, and second is 6 minus 2. So we will draw 6 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 2 you have to subtract, cross out 2. How many left? 1 2 3 4. And then 3, and you are not having anything, it is a 2-digit number, so 3 will be written as it is. So children, your answer is 348. So this way you have to write place values, and then you have to write the bigger number first, which is the first rule, and then smaller number. Here the smaller number is 2-digit number, so only ones and tens place values we have used. At hundreds place nothing is there. Then we will subtract by following the second rule, that is we will start subtracting from ones place. So now we will see one more example. Okay, so now again you have to write according to place values. Write the place values. Now we will write the bigger number here, which is the bigger number between 330 and 220. It is 330, and the smaller number is 220 minus sign. Now we will subtract. Okay, so 0 minus 0, yes, it is 0. Next is 3 minus 2. Draw 3 lines, cross out 2. What is left? Yes, 1. Next is again 3 minus 2. So again it is 1. No need to subtract. The same answer you will get. So what is the answer, children? It is 110. So again you have followed the same method of subtraction. Okay children, now we will see some more questions, some more different types of questions. Now here the first question which ma'am has taken is 10 less than 240. So remember children, whenever they are asking less than in the question, it means they want you to subtract. You have to do subtraction whenever less than is mentioned in the question. Okay. So now children, we will write in vertical form and then we will subtract. So write the place values. Then bigger number here between 10 and 240, obviously it is 240. And then you will write 10 minus. Okay. So now second rule is you have to start from ones place. Digits are 0 and 0. So it will be 0. Now 4 and 1. So 4 lines, 1 2 3 4, 1, subtract 1, cross out 1. You will, how many left? 1 2 3, 3. And here you can see again it is a 2-digit number. No digit is there under 2, so you will copy 2 as it is. So your answer is 230. So what you have to remember in these type of questions, children, that less than, it is given less than, so you have to subtract. Again you will write bigger number, 10 you will write under that, and then you will do subtraction starting from ones place. Now it will be more clear when we will do one more question. Only difference is there. Here the smaller number is also a 3-digit number, that is 100. So now we will write again the place values, children. And then the bigger number between 100 and 400 is, yes, 400. So 400 we will write on top. And then we will write 100 under it minus. Now we will subtract. So children, 0 and 0, it is 0. Again 0 and 0, 0. 4 minus 1, 1 2 3 4 lines. Cross out 1. How many left? 1 2 3. So write 3. So what you have got? 300. Again the method is same. So children, I hope now you have understood that how you are supposed to subtract 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Here we have not done any borrowing, that's why it is without regrouping. Simply you have to follow the 2 rules which ma'am has taught, and then you will be able to do subtraction of 3-digit numbers easily.